got iPads?
Only 3 again.
Let me get that. How many? Can you please check?
Boy, get these. It was the other way around. He was freaking you, bro.
Man, what's wrong with this guy?
Damn, bro.
Baby boy.
We gotta table this turn.
How much is the apples?
Look at this one.
How much is the apples?
I think that was $250 off.
Damn, I don't got no money, Pastor. I'll be on and popping in here.
Alright, man.
Yeah, I'll be back in a couple of days.
Yeah, you know where we're at.
Yo, look, here goes some more.
I'm gonna get them right. I'm just filming so I know what to see next time.
Oh, nigga, you filming for your multi-music video. I'm talking about, yo, baby boy, how much money?
It's $40.
Alright, baby boy, I'm gonna go back in the car and look at my script. You good, my boy. Think about them equality. Think about that shit. Right? No, wait. What? Alright, baby.
What's up? What's up? I just came from the spot, you know what I'm saying? There's a spot in Phoenix that I go and buy my product to, you know what I'm saying? It's a wholesale spot. So I went and bought like 20 of these. I already sent the rest to where I live at, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just showing you what I bought. I'm sending this off tomorrow. I bought 100 of these. I sent the rest off. So I'm just showing you. I got 50 here right now. So right there. These are the iPad minis. Right there. You know what I'm saying? This is how they come out. You know what I'm saying? iPad minis. So I sold 100, so you do the math. If I sell about 100, you do the math. 100 a piece. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to get for it. Even probably more, but you know what I'm saying? They're original. Everybody like original stuff. Original. These are the Chromebooks. Original. Chrome. You know what I'm saying? And we put that right there. Right there. And with the iPad minis, I had got all these. You know what I'm saying? These are covers. These are covers, you know what I'm saying? These are covers. So I could sell these separate too. I could sell these with the iPad minis, you know what I'm saying? So just wanted to show you what I got. Came all the way Phoenix for. Came to do what I had to do. 100 pieces. The rest is being sent. That's what I do. Peace. Peace, peace. Make sure you subscribe, share, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe, share, like, you know what I'm saying? Comment if you have to, alright? iPad minis. Killing the game. I'm killing the game. I'm killing the game, son. I'm killing the game. 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 Cheap. Cheap. So cheap you can make a profit and this is Ben's money, son. This is Ben's money, son. Alright? Peace. Like, subscribe, and comment. God bless. That's watch money, son. That's watch money right there. Peace.